Mountains are the highest landforms on the Earth's surface. They rise sharply above the surrounding area and often have steep sides and rocky peaks. Many mountains are covered with snow at the top. They affect weather patterns and are important sources of rivers. Mountain regions are home to unique animals and plants that are able to live in cold and thin air. Hills are raised areas of land that are lower and smaller than mountains. They usually have gentle slopes and rounded tops. Hills are often covered with grass or trees. They can form naturally through the movement of the Earth's crust or by erosion, when wind and rain wear down larger landforms. Hills are pleasant landscapes and often used for farming or small settlements. A valley is a low area between mountains or hills. Most valleys are formed by rivers that flow between them, carving the land over time. The soil in valleys is usually fertile because of river deposits, making them good for farming. Valleys can be shaped like the letter V if they are made by rivers, or like the letter U if they are made by glaciers. People often build homes and grow crops in valleys. Plains are wide and flat areas of land. They cover large parts of the earth and are usually very fertile. Many plains have rivers that bring water and nutrients to the soil. Because of this, plains are ideal for growing crops and raising animals. Most large cities and farmlands are located on plains because building and transportation are easier on flat land. Deserts are dry areas that get very little rain during the year. They can be hot, like the Sahara Desert, or cold, like Antarctica. The sand and rocks in deserts make it difficult for most plants to grow, but some plants like cactus can survive by storing water. Desert animals are adapted to live with very little water and extreme temperatures. Mountains form when parts of the Earth's crust push together or move upwards due to the movement of large plates below the ground. The force makes the land fold and rise to form mountain ranges. Some mountains also form when volcanoes erupt and molten rock builds up on the surface. Over millions of years, wind, rain, and erosion shape mountains into the forms we see today. River valleys are shaped by the flow of rivers over many years. As water travels through the land, it cuts and carries away soil and rocks, slowly deepening the valley. The flowing river makes the land along its sides very fertile. Because of this, river valleys are often used for agriculture and human settlements. Many ancient civilizations began along river valleys for their rich soil and water supply. Coastal plains are flat lands that lie next to seas or oceans. They are often formed when rivers bring soil and sand from inland areas and deposit them near the coast. These plains are useful for agriculture, fishing, trade, and tourism. Coastal plains also protect inland areas from the direct impact of ocean waves and storms. Life in deserts shows how plants and animals can survive in harsh conditions. Plants like cactus store water in their stems, and animals such as camels and foxes have adapted to live with very little water and high temperatures. Some animals are active at night to avoid the daytime heat. Desert life teaches us about adaptation and survival in extreme environments. Landscapes come in many different forms across the world. Mountains rise high above the ground, hills are smaller and softer, valleys lie low between them, plains stretch flat and wide, and deserts remain dry and sandy. Each landscape plays an important role in shaping the Earth's surface and supporting different forms of life. Together, they create the natural beauty and diversity of our planet.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.